Today is May 4th, 2020, and this is my Monday mortgage update. The 10 things you need to know about a Homestyle Renovation Loan. My name is Susan Jacobs, and I'm a realtor here at Samson Properties in Gainesville, Virginia. Today I would like to talk to you about the 10 things you need to know about a Homestyle Renovation Loan. FHA has a renovation loan referred to as the 203K, and conventional loans have what's called Homestyle Renovation Loan. While the guidelines are very similar, the conventional Homestyle Renovation Loan has much more flexibility. The 10 things you need to know about a Homestyle Renovation Loan. 1. You can put as little as 3% down if one borrower is a first-time homeowner. 2. You can put down as little as 5% if you are a move-up borrower. 3. You can make repairs that include health and safety issues, well and septic, HVAC replacements, cosmetic improvements, luxury item improvements, kitchen and bath remodeling, or to just name a few. The loan can close in quickly as 35 days. 5. You need to have a licensed contractor to provide an estimate of improvements and to do the work. 6. The contractor is paid 50% at the settlement table of the estimate to buy supplies, and there are up to 5 draws depending upon the amount of work that needs to be completed. 7. The appraiser is provided a copy of the repair estimate and uses that to base the appraised value. 8. You have up to 9 months to complete all of the repairs. 9. You can use the Homestyle Loan Refinance Program to improve the property, like put on an addition or remodel kitchen and bathrooms. 10. There is no limit on the amount of improvements up to what you can qualify for. If you found the perfect neighborhood, but not the perfect house, consider a Homestyle remodeling loan. Take that not so perfect house and make it your home. My name is Susan Jacobs, here with Samson Properties in Gainesville, Virginia. I'm here to help you with all of your real estate needs. I can be reached at 703-347-4418 or Susan at susanojacobs.com.